Magre-recommend po ay ang PD.
Kaya nga, siyempre, kung nire-recommend mo, di pipili ka ng 5, di ba?
O, pipili po siya ng 5 para
5.
i-recommend. Opo.
Now, may I ask the RD of Recon 4, dahil very vital ito sa susunod na investigasyon natin. RD of Recon 4A ng PNP.
General Lucas, go ahead. You
Kasi
can proceed.
yung cellphone mo kasi ang iniintindi mo hindi yung one yung discussion ngayon dito
So, sorry po, Your Honor.
Congressman Acop, he still have the floor. Sige, go ahead, Congressman Acop.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May I ask if Major Mahadi is present?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Are you aware of the provisions of 105? Resolution number 10924 of the COMELEC. Are you aware of the provisions of this?
Your Honor.
Are you?
On a portion, Your Honor, yes.
Are you aware?
Yes.
Alam mo ba?
No, Your Honor.
Lieutenant Bukalan, alam nyo rin po ba yung provisions ng COMELEC Resolution 10924?
No, Your Honor.
No. Doon sa resolution na ito, naka-enumerate doon sa resolution na ito yung mga rason kung bakit may transfer ang voting center. Tama po ba, PES? Yes, naka-enumerate doon. Di ba? Pero, ang tanong ko po sa inyo, PES, ito pang nakasulat sa request ni Lieutenant Bukalan at saka si Major Mahadi ay pwedeng i-transfer yung voting center?
Hindi po.
Hindi. Kasi wala doon sa enumeration ng resolution po ninyo, di po ba?
Yes, sir.
So in other words, Lieutenant Bukalan and Major Mahadi, you do not know the provisions of the laws that you are supposed to implement. Bakit kayo gumagawa ng sulat na ito? Na nagre-request kayo ng transfer ng voting center na hindi naaayon po sa ating batas. May, no?
Your Honor, yung request po namin with AFP through Lieutenant Alan is based lang po yan sa assessment and ocular inspection on physical condition of the school or the voting center, Your Honor.
But in other words, hindi nyo po sinaliksik kung yung pong nire-request nyo ay naayon sa batas. Di po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ha?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Lieutenant Bukalan, would you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Na hindi nyo alam. Now, dito sa sulat ninyo, the only reason why nire-request nyo ng transfer ay dahil sa isang intelligence report which is passed. Tapos, it is the entry and exit point of the most wanted person in the area in Sulu. Tama po.
Correct, sir.
Now, may I know what is the national security implication as stated by the PAS? Ano pong security implication nito? Di ba trabaho nyo lang, pulis at saka kwan, hulihin ninyo ito? Anong security implication? Please tell this committee.
Captain Bukalan, you're being asked, what is the implication in our national security? Meron ba?
Yun nga po is napapasukan po ng kung sino-sino po.
Ano? What again?
Napapasukan po ng kung sino-sino po na hindi po namin kilala. Na ayon din po sa mga civilian doon na hindi po nila kilala yung mga tao na yun.
About Major Mahadi?
Sir, ginawa po namin yung request on the purpose na because of that intelligence report, it can implicate na pwede pong magkaroon ng insidente if magkakaroon sila or if that intelligence report may be totoo. So, it's just a precautionary measure, Your Honor, and na possible ma-transfer for that matter.
And when you speak of national security, alam niyo po ba ang ibig sabihin talaga ng national security? Kasi lahat na lang ng bagay, ang nakalagay po dito sa inyong request is that in the past intelligence report, Port Holland Zone 3 or Samal Village is once the entry and exit point of one of the most wanted persons, other unidentified persons in Tulu. Yun ang rason ninyo eh. And I don't see any reason, any national security implication. Kasi ang wanted person dapat hinuhulingan ng law enforcement eh. Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. So, Mr. Chair, I would like to end my, I will not ask any question about the October 30, 2023 letters because the PAIs are
Yes.
not present.
Actually, that was I was about to tell that we need to wait for the BEIs to arrive in the next hearing for us to clarify a lot of things, no? Para mapagtahi-tahi na po natin yung talagang sitwasyon na nangyari. Kung sino talaga yung nagsasabi ng totoo. So at this point of time, we cannot
last
really
point, Mr. Chair.
we cannot really verify kung sino sa inyo ang mga nagsisinungaling. But if the BEI arrive, no, in the next hearing, then we will find out who is lying. Congressman Acop, then the last word will be Congressman Hataman before we proceed to the next item.
Yes, Mr. Chair. I saw the representatives and Commissioner of NAPOLCOM here. I do not know, Mr. Chair, kung nakikinig po sila doon sa last hearing. Yung provincial director ng PNP doon po sa Basilan, sinabi po niya na yung provincial director ang pumipili ng 5 pangalan na dapat isubmit sa mayor para piliin niya kung sino ang mayor niya. Now, may I know from NAPOLCOM kung ito po ay totoo, yung bang provincial director ang pumipili ng 5 pangalan?
Sige,
magre-recommend lang,
attorney,
magre-recommend lang po sila ng pangalan po.
Yung 5.
Para mabuo po yung shortlist na 5
Okay.
na pipili.
Yung PD, ang pipili ng 5.
Ang magre-recommend po ay ang PD.
Kaya nga, siyempre, kung nire-recommend mo, pipili ka ng 5, di ba?
Pipili po siya ng 5 para
5.
i-recommend. Opo.
Now, may I ask the RD of Recon 4, dahil very vital ito sa susunod na investigasyon natin. RD of Recon 4A ng PNP.
General Lucas, go ahead. You
Kasi
can proceed.
yung cellphone mo kasi ang iniintindi mo hindi yung one yung discussion ngayon dito
So, sorry po, Your Honor. It emanates from the regional headquarters and goes down to the province, Your Honor.
Are you trying to tell me na iba yung policy ng NAPOLCOM at saka ginagawa ng pulis? Kasi ang pagkaalam ko talaga, yung 5 pangalan ay nagagaling sa RD pag chiefs of police.
I thought you were asking about the provincial director, Your Honor. Sorry po. It emanates from the provincial director, which is being submitted to the LGU, Your Honor.
Okay. So, now, here is a case where the provincial director didn't follow the provision of law insofar as who will choose the chief of police, a certain municipality or city. Kung nakinig po kayo doon sa last hearing, yung provincial director ng Basilan admitted and under oath that he did not follow the procedure provided for by law. Naintindihan nyo ba yung ibig ko sabihin? Ano ang pwedeng ikaso nyo sa pulis na ito?
Napolcom can answer on that. And, well, RD, meron tayo IAS dyan, di ba? So, then,
Sir,
RD. Sige, Napolcom first.
They can be charged of a serious neglect of duty or irregularity in the performance of duty. In violation of Section 64. Section 64, sir, of RA 6975.
Napol.